the 2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, navigation system, heated seats, backup camera, keyless entry, running boards, traction control, alloy wheels, HomeLink garage door opener, automatic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.